Did you know about the new feature in iOS 17.3? It's a game changer. Welcome to the future, where Apple's latest iOS 17.3 update is revolutionizing the way we interact with our devices. Not only can you now create collaborative playlists in Apple Music, sharing your favorite tunes with friends just became easier. And in celebration of Black History Month, Apple has introduced a new Unity wallpaper to keep your device looking fresh and vibrant. But that's not all. The real game changer here is the new stolen device protection feature. This feature, born out of an investigation by Joanna Stern and Nicole Nguyen from the Wall Street Journal, aims to protect your sensitive data and hard-earned money from crafty thieves. It's a leap forward in digital security and a testament to Apple's dedication to user safety. So, are you ready to explore these new features? Stick around. Now, let's delve into the stolen device protection feature, a result of a thorough investigation by Wall Street Journal reporters. The feature came to life after Joanna Stern and Nicole Nguyen uncovered that thieves were not only stealing iPhones, but also accessing sensitive data that was supposedly stored securely on the device and its related iCloud account. The passcode, as it turns out, is a crucial piece of information. It's like the master key that can unlock the phone and change settings, even when Face ID or Touch ID is activated. This fallback method of accessing a phone has become a playground for thieves who've devised clever ways to extract passcodes from unsuspecting victims. Picture this. An iPhone thief walks into a bar late at night, striking up conversations with strangers. They'll say something like, "Hey, I'd love to add you on Snapchat." To make things easier, they offer to type in their username directly onto the person's phone. Once the phone is in their hands, they lock it and ask for the passcode, pretending they need it to unlock the device. Sly, isn't it? Having the passcode in their arsenal, thieves can now unlock the stolen device and even change the Apple ID password in the phone settings. This deactivates the Find My iPhone feature, rendering the victim unable to remotely wipe their device. But it doesn't stop there. Many iPhone users store sensitive data like bank app passwords in their iCloud keychain and credit card details in their Safari autofill preferences. Thieves can even access encrypted notes in the Notes app, where some users store their social security numbers. And with Apple Pay, they can make purchases directly. If Face ID fails, they can use the passcode or even register their own face in Face ID if they have the device passcode. So, it's clear how crucial your passcode is and how it can be misused. But there's a solution right around the corner. This brings us to the stolen device protection feature in iOS 17.3, a crucial tool in safeguarding your iPhone from the hands of thieves. Stay tuned to learn how it works and how to activate it on your device. Scene script. Picture this, your iPhone is stolen and the thief has your passcode. What can they do? The threat of iPhone theft is real, and it's not just about the physical device. Once a thief has your phone and your passcode, they have the keys to your digital kingdom. It's like giving a stranger the keys to your house and your safe deposit box at the same time. Let's dive into the potential risks. With your passcode, the thief can unlock your device. The passcode is a master key. It can bypass even Face ID or Touch ID. Once the phone is unlocked, the thief can change your Apple ID password right in the phone settings. This means they can disable Find My iPhone, a crucial feature that could help you locate your stolen device. The result? You can't remotely wipe your device to protect your data, but that's not all. Many of us store sensitive data on our iPhones. For instance, your iCloud keychain might contain your bank app passwords, or your Safari autofill preferences might include your credit card details. Imagine a thief having all that information at their fingertips. It's like handing over your wallet, but worse. And the Notes app? Some people even store their social security numbers there in encrypted notes. If a thief has your device passcode, they can open those notes and access your most sensitive information. And let's not forget about Apple Pay. With your passcode, a thief can use it directly. If Face ID fails, the passcode can be used. Thieves can even register their own face in Face ID if they have the device passcode. It's like handing them your credit card and saying, "Go wild." Sounds scary, doesn't it? But fear not, Apple has a solution. With iOS 17.3, Apple introduces the stolen device protection feature, but how does it work? Well, this feature is Apple's latest addition to its security arsenal, designed to make your device a less attractive target for thieves. Here's how it works. When stolen device protection is turned on, certain actions will require you to authenticate using either Face ID or Touch ID. This includes accessing stored passwords and credit card details. But there's more to it than just biometric authentication. Apple has also introduced a security delay. This means that if you or anyone else tries to change your Apple ID password, your passcode, or turn off stolen device protection itself, your iPhone will tell you that you need to wait at least an hour before making these critical changes. This delay is a game changer. This 1-hour window gives you time to take action if your device ends up in the wrong hands. It's like a safety net, buying you precious time to remotely wipe your iPhone using another device, ensuring your data remains secure. But wait, there's an exception to the 1-hour rule. If you're in a familiar location, like your home or workplace, you won't have to wait an hour to make critical changes. This is Apple's way of balancing security with convenience. So if a thief manages to get their hands on your device, they will be met with a series of hurdles that make it significantly harder for them to access your data or disable your ability to track your device. They'll need your face or fingerprint to get into sensitive information. And even if they try to change your passwords or disable the protection, they're going to have to wait. Meanwhile, you can take action. You can remotely wipe your device, erasing all your data before they get a chance to access it. This feature gives you an extra layer of security, buying you valuable time to protect your data. It's a smart move by Apple and a big step forward in the fight against phone theft. So, if you haven't already, make sure to update your device to iOS 17.3 and enable this feature. Stay safe out there. So, how do you activate this security feature on your iPhone? Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to ensure that your device is updated to iOS 17.3. Once that's accomplished, navigate to your settings. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. You may need to enter your passcode to proceed. Once you're in, scroll down until you see Stolen Device Protection. It's typically disabled by default. So go ahead and tap on that toggle switch to turn it on. A pop-up may appear asking for your confirmation. Just tap on Enable, and you're almost there. Now, some actions on your iPhone will require Face ID or Touch ID authentication. For instance, accessing stored passwords and credit cards. Also, changing critical settings like your Apple ID password and passcode will require a security delay. And voila! Your iPhone is now more secure than ever. It's a small step to take, but a giant leap for your digital security. So, what have we learned today? We've discovered that iOS 17.3 has brought us several exciting features, including collaborative playlists in Apple Music and a new Unity wallpaper for Black History Month. But perhaps the most important of these is the Stolen Device Protection feature. As we've seen, this feature is a game changer in ensuring the security of our data. Thieves have been exploiting the passcode fallback method to unlock stolen iPhones, change settings, and access sensitive data. But with Stolen Device Protection, essential actions will now require Face ID or Touch ID biometric authentication. This means that even if a thief gets your passcode, they won't be able to access your stored passwords, credit cards, or make critical changes without waiting for a security delay. It's a significant step towards striking the right balance between security and convenience. Remember, your data is precious. Protect it with iOS 17.3's Stolen Device Protection feature. Stay secure, and until next time, goodbye.